Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review this new 6.5 feet golden braided iPhone 4 charging cord. As you can see, it says ultra fast charging, extra long cable, extra strong and ultra resistant by Inky premium cable. And I have my iPhone 4 here working. And my block. Let's get this open. Look at that, boys and girls. And look at that. This looks really nice. A little Velcro. And more Velcro. Now this thing is ridiculously long. Now this tip right here plugged into here like that. This is very nice and stiff. That means it should work. Let's plug her in. Just like that. Now the moment of truth with this charge. Right now we're at 68%. And look at that. It charges nicely.